Hi, we are talking about camping, so next year. So next year we might go camping somewhere called Deer's Glade. Next year, so about March. I'm gonna buy myself a tent this year. I'm gonna buy I did bought something in the shop. This kettle here. So I'm gonna show you a kettle. So you get like different all sorts of kettle camping. Like you can get a blue one, green, like orangey colour. So my kettle is, open it. I'm opening up what colour my kettle. So you got your lid. To be fair, that is a tight fit. So that's my kettle for camping, and it's quite good. We had one before. We just sold camping stuff. I don't know why. Back in the camping next year. So camping. This is my kettle here. I'm gonna pop the lid on. So camping is really good fun, but it's good really a break from home. This is called whistling kettle. So yeah, if people like camping, buy camping. So you what to do, you can undo the lid, fill up the water, put on your gas stove. If you can tell the water's boil, this bit here, the whistling, that the steam goes like that. You can hear it. Then that's done. Lift it off, push that over, and go like that. There's your kettle. So yeah, whistle kettle is really good. Years ago, about, I wasn't born, my great granddad. Tell you what year? Don't know what year he born. Old back in fashion days, they have this. Ain't they called such a cool electric kettle? They have this, so like that. About that. So yeah. This is a trailer for next year camping. So next year camping in near Aldeburgh, Deer's Glade as well. It's really good. I've been there 2015. So yeah, this is a trailer, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you see more camping stuff this year. This is part 1. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click like, and thank you very much for watching this video.